Hi, and thank you for tuning in to another video with Shantae Fitness. I am Shantae, and I'm here to talk to you guys today about my 7-day cleanse. So, as I tell you guys, I like to do 7-day cleanses, once every month or every 2 months or so. It's not something that I try to do, every single week or anything like that, because I do need to give my body some time to rest, rejuvenate, catch itself, and, just basically, not using any type of lactates or anything constantly, because that does, ruin your intestines and different functions with your body if you're using like a lactate product constantly. So one of the products that I mainly use for my 7-day cleanse, it used to be a pill called the Cleaner. But for this cleanse, I'm actually going to be doing it a little bit different, and I'm not going to be using my cleaner pills that I usually use, and I'm actually going to be replacing it with these NRG pills. I'm not sure if you could see that, these NRG pills, and also the Iaso tea, and also with the Nutraburst. Okay, so I know you've seen a lot of people talking about these products. Now, I haven't personally tried it as of yet, so this will be my first time trying it with you guys. You guys are going to see my whole journey, because I'm planning on recording my whole thing, from start to finish, my results, how it made me feel, if I would recommend it and everything. So a little bit of history of a little bit of background, how I got into the product. One of my coworkers actually before my coworker introduced me to this, I have always seen the Iaso tea. Previously, when I was living in Fort Lauderdale, I always used to see that tea, and a lot of people boasting about the health benefits and the way it makes them feel. At that time, I was curious, but not curious enough to actually buy it, and it was actually in a different packaging at that time as well. So fast forward to 2020, I'm seeing everybody posting about this tea, talking about how it's good for a detox, how it helps them feel good, all type of other things that I'm hearing about this tea, and the whole line of products and everything. So I'm like, okay, cool, I want to learn more. One of my current coworkers, she started telling me about the products, letting me know about it, how it's making her feel, and all the good stuff. Now, we were supposed to meet up and talk more about the product, and actually get more into depth about the product, but unfortunately Corona happened, and we started to get social distancing. People are getting paranoid about all type of things, so it just wasn't the right time for us to meet up at her house and go over these products. But she did bring it up to me, so I'll definitely leave her link below. But since I wasn't able to meet up with her, one of my other previous coworkers, she's my friend, but she's a previous coworker as well. She had started, posting about the products and, her use of the products. So I'm like, okay, I want to learn more. So, I went to my friend, she gave me more information, told me, about what she's using, how it's made her feel, the results, everything, So from then I'm like, okay, cool, I want to try it myself. So here we are. I've gotten the products, and I'm going to be trying it for my 7-day cleanse. So typically with my 7-day cleanse, I'll have my cleaner pill, my detox tea, and nothing but liquids throughout the 7 days. So I'll still be doing generally the same thing, but now instead of using the cleaner pill, I'm going to be using the NRG pills right here. So for this, it says electrify your day. This is an all-natural weight loss energy supplement. It's designed to enhance your energy, metabolize fat, and reduce hunger without the jitters of sudden energy burnout. So we're going to be giving this a try here. And then in replace of my Yogi detox tea that I usually use, I'm going to be using the Iaso tea. So this one, it says, enjoy all the benefits of the original Iaso tea in an all-new, all-natural instant formula and lose up to 5 pounds in 5 days. Let's see if we could lose up to 5 pounds in 5 days. So definitely, and on the back it does have, you know, the best ways to use it. So for this one, the best way is used with the Nutraburst liquid, which is this. So I'm going to be using this as well. You're supposed to take this 1 capful a day. And this one says, Nutraburst is much more than a regular daily supplement. This liquid is a multivitamin and is designed to detox your system and supply essential elements that help strengthen your body. Okay. So we'll see, you know, how good this is. Now, the kit that I bought, you know, for those of you who are interested, is called the Freedom Kit. And it comes with this card in the packaging. It also comes with what's in the box and the recommended way to use it. I'm not sure if you could really see that because of the glare on my camera and my light. But it comes in the box, and it comes with actually 2 teas. So you get 2 teas in the box, not just one. The Nutraburst and also the NRG. So you got a lot in the box, and I believe I paid about $160. So I'm gonna leave the links below as to where I got my products from. You know, definitely shout out to Tasma for putting me on, and Alexis for starting the journey. You know, both of you guys started and closed together, even though y'all don't know each other. So I'm definitely gonna put their links below if you guys are interested in supporting them, or, you know, just following them, because they're the ones who, you know, got me onto this in the first place. Now, I have been supporting, you know, a lot of businesses over the past couple weeks. So one of the businesses that I supported, they actually send you out samples. So I actually got a sample of the teas today. This one is actually the CBD one, but this one is the CBD one that includes the CBD, and it's lemon flavored. This one is just the regular tea, which is, you know, the one that I have right here. So this one is just the regular one. And then they also sent me the raspberry lemonade flavor. So I have a few different ones. So actually what I'm going to do here with you guys, I'm going to taste it live on camera with you guys, so you guys can get my natural reaction as to, you know, how this product really tastes. The way I see people tasting it on camera, you know, they be drinking it like it's nothing, like it tastes so good, you know, and sometimes people do that to get you to buy, but I don't believe in that. So if it doesn't taste good, you guys will get my natural reaction. So we're gonna see. So I'm trying the lemon flavored one, the CBD. So to make it, it says that you mix 1 sachet, at least 16 ounces of water, cold or hot, 30 minutes before eating. Okay, so I have my water. This is 16 ounces.
It is a sparkling grapefruit water. That's what the bottle is, but I've already drunken the sparkling grapefruit water that was in here and refilled it with regular water. I'm just gonna drink it down a little bit. Alright. And now we drink. Open it. Smells good. Let's see. Alright. We got one in there. Shake it up, shake it up. You guys see that? Yeah. Like that, it's gonna go, it's gonna go. Don't worry, the thing about a weight loss journey and fitness and health and exercise is you can start and stop as much times as you want. Your journey is your journey, so, you know, I'm getting back up into the swing of things and working out and exercising and getting my healthy, you know, eating back on, so, let's see. I don't want it to be like powdery or anything, so just want to make sure I get it shaken up right. Okay, so, I'm just going to pour it in. Just a little bit. 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 Just a little b This right here is the workout itself. Okay, I feel like I got it for the most part. Alright, bottoms up. Let's see.
It's not too bad. It has a lemon flavor to it. It's really not bad at all. Honestly, it's really not bad. It has that lemon. If you like iced tea and sweet tea, which I don't, but I tolerate if it's the only thing in the house to drink, then you know you would like it. If you're, you know, a lemon type of person. I like lemon naturally, but I don't really like iced tea or sweet tea. That's not my thing. But it tastes really good though. I could see myself drinking this every day. It's not too bad. All right. Well, I'm definitely going to be finishing this because my lunch is in about 30 minutes. So, yeah, I'll be getting my 7-day detox done, 7-day cleanse. So I'm uploading this video as the first video, so definitely stay tuned for my updated videos. I'll also be doing a video on, you know, how I actually prepare like my smoothies, take my pill, all of that good stuff, so that you guys can, you know, like I said, be along on this journey with me. If you have, you know, any other questions, concerns, want to know more, you know, I'll definitely be more than happy to answer those questions, you know, whether it be in a video or if you just, you know, send me a direct message. Make sure you follow me on social media, Shantae Fit, Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
You know, stop. That's it.